It's your ban. 5 seconds.
Yes.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, you get it.
Oh.
Fleet of foot. All right, get ready. Go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Live na Kabuel.
Live. Ako sa
Advance. Striker runs. Rampant. From upland Druid I ride.
jeez.
Faster. They got no business with it.
Oh, no,
Storm
man.
is upon us. Come Go now. smash their ancient. Rolling thunder. That way. Faster. Fleet of foot. Attack! With a cult thunderclap! Come now! Ah! Ow! Rampant! Striker runs! Yes! Go! Rolling thunder! It's not time yet. That way! Advance! Rampant! Thunder approaches! And we have first blood! Thunder rolls! Time to pull! Barrier up!
Araw na nakabot.
This ice ain't nice. Faster! Fleet of foot! This levels the field! Yes! Beware the clouds! Rolling thunder! Come now! I grew craftier! Go! Advance! I'm under attack! Stricken! End in! Striker runs! Another. Lead of foot.
Pati. Ay, D6.
Striker runs! From Upland Druid I run.
Ay, ati. Wala pa din ako ma. Ako bantay.
No!
Look! A spare raven!
Ay, naku man.
None shall be spared! Faster! Crush me!
D6 ang show. D6 na.
That way!
Ay, level 4 pa ka. Level 4.
See this right here. This is what you want to avoid.
Advance! Not yet. Rampant!
Yun.
Thunder rolls! Yes! Barrier up! Rolling lost one.
Naos.
My vengeance shall be legend. Animal! This isn't the end.
Exquisite.
Lead of foot. Feel the chill. Come now. Wow. Faster. And that my coil runs down. No whining now.
Their middle tower might need a little attention.
Tugo. Tuwi na.
I return to battle. All right, now. Rolling thunder.
Maybe don't let them do what they're doing.
I hit the kill switch. Striker runs.
Iba nga. May pang clear check.
Boy, flashlight. Yes. Static stone. Underclap. Barrier up.
That there is not.
Deja vu. Storming in. That way. Rampant. Go. Faster. Fresh meat. Lead of foot.
So yan, nag-savean nila.
End in. From Upland back you go. Come now. Load you down. Advance. Rolling thunder. That way. Rampant.
Yung lane.
Striker
Hukom
runs.
sa'yo na sila. Parang in-build ka ng
Tower is
SF.
under attack.
Wala, may kaya siguro.
That way.
Little type na siya.
Advance.
Mana. Anong buo?
Striker runs. Come now. Rolling thunder. Invisibility. Yes. Fresh meat. Lost knowledge is found. Rampant. Barrier of thunder rules. Limp. Static storm. The tempest tossed. Fleet of foot. Go. Just what I need. Advance.
Ha! Their middle tower is down.
Rampant.
Do you need your top tower? I'm only asking because it's being destroyed.
Yes.
Oh, they are really taking it to you there.
Go. A gift from the tempest of battle. Striker runs. From upland Druid I ride. Come now. Fleet of foot. Thunderclap. Faster.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
Rolling thunder. That way. End in. Beware the cows. Yes. Advance. Kill spree. Come now.
Nakapatay siya.
That is a double kill.
Malayo, agay, agay.
The system adapts. Warriors of the wood.
Ay, patay. Ayaw, 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 ayaw. Wala na, wala na. I know. Ano siya?
Unlock my steed again. That way.
Wait na to sa amin dito bang abo?
Rolling thunder.
Hindi naman ano.
I've killed better.
Hey, your top tower is under attack. Don't get a big head about it, but your structures are fortified. Might want to haul ass over to your top. Bottom tower's down.
Pull roots and run.
This is an ugly tower.
At, oh, yun na sa pabuto.
My coils
Bugo mo na sila.
Striker runs.
Dati, asa lang isip. Oh, shit, no?
Faster. Static storm. Go. Come now.
You are unstoppable. Full stop.
Hehe.
Yes. Thunderclap. Advance. Immediate result. I'm under attack.
Napalma.
Yes, that is a double kill.
Hindi pwede. Nabigay yan siya ng late sir, bibig ko.
Thunder. I grow in power and craft. Striker runs. I'm well practiced in my craft. That way. Go. And back you go. Lead a foot.
Top tower is down. Hit him on the ropes. Hit him again.
That's for me.
On a killing spree.
Kaya Badul. Hostile ka.
Bottom tower's under attack there. Look at those structures. Woo! 14. The top tower is down.
The storm charges my coil again. That way. Rolling thunder.
Might want to
Rampant.
look into your bottom tower. Uh-oh. Dyer's fortified their
Faster.
structures. Your bottom tower's
Fleet of
under
foot.
attack there.
Go.
Might want to look into your bottom
From
tower.
upland Druid I ride.
I wouldn't worry about it, though.
I'm
Nice. Good news.
I'm having the
bottom tower.
field
Great news.
thunderclap.
It's just one tower. You know, in the grand scheme of things, it's still
Thunder rolls. Advance. Come now. Beware the clouds. Go, deja vu.
double kill.
My rivercraft increases.
That was a double kill.
Yes,
Ma-
faster.
Matay siya ba yun?
Advance. No escape. Come now.
Bring the pain.
Fleet of foot. Rolling thunder. Striker runs. That way. Go. From upland Druid I ride. That way. Come now. Yes. Faster. Thunder rolls. With all my craft. Thunderclap. From upland Druid.
Another tower's down to beat.
Matay. YouTube. Break ka. Ayun. Hirangan.
I'm over here.
Fortified the
Buwangan.
Your middle tower might need a little attention. Are you letting them do this? I mean, if this is an insurance scheme, then what? Your middle tower is now tense.
Nara sila dito nag-push.
Fleet of foot.
Push sa buang.
Rampant. Thunder roll. High pressure system. Rolling thunder. Advance. Striker runs. Your burden lifted. Come now. No escape. Striker runs. Beware the clouds. That way. From upland Druid I ride.
Kailan? Dito kayo nilang trip.
Rolling thunder. Yes.
Wala ba yung sila to?
Sino sila grab?
Thunderclap.
Natawanan mo tayo.
Rampant.
Agay, di ba? Ala. Wala na ba?
Bottom barracks demolished. A lot of dead creeps. Good stuff.
May TP na pa dito.
Bottom barracks is a smoking pile of rock.
Ala, agay na. Nabili ng QP. Ala, nabuhay pa.
Why am I surrounded by such peons? Why am I surrounded by such peons?
Ala, ay Diyos. Patay. Oh, yeah, update.
What weathercraft is this? Fleet of foot. Advance. Come now.
No.
Yes. Illusion. A gift from the Tempest. Beware. Oh. Rampant. Rolling. Barrier up. Fleet of foot. Go. Advance.
Hoy.
Peons.
Nawala ilang rhythm. Wala sila nagsabay-sabay tanan.
Ang gawa di si nag-drop mo. Sila yung TP ba?
Charged up.
Paspas man, paspas
That way.
makambak-ambak man ron. Kaya nanay, ano, boost of speed ang, ayun sa niya. Oh no!
I'm having a beware the clouds.
Naganchok. Para dito, rat lang sila. Tika-tika lang, atika-tika lang. Ayaw yun, ano ha, ayaw yun, di banggai siya. Buang. Atika-tika lang, kanang pagukda lang siya ba? Ayaw, sukol. Para makarat sila, diba? Nitipi na sila, no? Break at choke, dagan. Na, Crimson. Agay, ayaw, balik. TP ang isip ko. Baka pala kita. Wala ka ni TP ang kuwan. Isis. Ay, nakaon! Awa, joke! Ay! Agay, nadakpan! Wala ka din. Wala ka nag KB. Joke! Wala ta ang kuwan. Wala ta ang, saan eh? Pibson. Pagok na. Patay. Oh my god, nadakpan ka, Chok.
That way.
Ay, live day ka, nag-live.
Why am I
Advance.
surrounded by such peons? Why am I
Your middle
surrounded
tower
by
might
such
need a little attention.
peons?
Yes. Faster.
Your middle tower's taking a beating.
55 na nakuha.
Ano mo
See how
tanong
this
kung
plays out.
mag-live
Maybe
ba
it's just a
kung
very stupid
nag-invite
trap.
ang po.
Stop time it.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
Tanawan din kung ano kung tanawan mo kung pildo
All
lang.
right, middle
Trying to
tower's down.
run. End in.
You still have an ancient. A less protected, probably a very worried ancient, but you're still in this.
A gilded death.
Dota why
Yes.
daog.
That way.
Oh, streaming is back.
Go.
Is back.
Thunder rolls.
Back sila, Chok, kay nag-push na po.
Hi guys.
Advance.
Sa speed, may busog travel.
Method to my madness. I'll ride you down.
I never made it.
Ay, back na po na diri ron.
Rolling thunder. Regeneration.
Hindi na
Tiger
mag-umito.
runs.
Wala, TP na dito.
Thunder approaches. Come now.
Middle tower's down.
Wala ka. Ochok, may na-break.
The upland druid I ride.
May bantay ko
Fire now. Don't let anyone stop you.
sa tunga.
Ay lagi. Bilis
Yeah.
kami ano?
Why am I surrounded by such peons?
411. Wait na uy.
Why am I surrounded by such peons?
Your middle tower's taking a beating.
Ano yan?
Break ka.
Wait na to.
Boom, agay.
How do you like your middle tower? I hope you like it destroyed, because it is.
Ito ng heart. Ang gayong samot. Wala ka gusto ko lang. Wala.
The fallen tribe rises again. Fleet of foot.
Wala ka.
Rampant.
Agay. Chok, chok. Go. Ah!
Run. Stand barrier. Back you go. Beware the clouds. Flash light. Deja vu. Rolling thunder. The wicked set.
Push lang ko.
Root and after.
Di mo ratang ano dali ba?
Di mo rampaon.
Di mo ratang paun dali. Wala. Wala. Waiting. Wala ka!
Mega kill territory here. Let me check. Trail of bodies. You covered in blood. Big smile on your big dumb
Wala
face.
ni.
Oh, this is a mega kill, all right.
Ayaw pa lagi na.
Wala! Oh! Nilikay! Wala ka agad. Murag buang da.
Sonic storm. That way.
Pakita ito.
They're
Come
giving your
now.
middle barracks a once-over. Good news, you have a pile of bricks. Bad news, it used to be your middle barracks.
Aga. Uy. Agay chok. 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 Talik da chok. Talik di. Na. Ipawa. Kay damage sa mo ang ano. Oh, sige. Adalik di yun. Talik di. Oh, patay. Sorry. Hey, isang ba?
Dali ko. Ano naman na?
Bantay, bantay. Ma-break ka, ma-break ka. BKB. BKB.
Nice, their top tower smashed all to hell. End of the road for their top barracks.
Ni buyback. Ala, namatay. Ala na. Ah.
This.
Ay. Ala, nagtindog lang. Wala na.
Good stuff. Their middle tower's a sad pile of
Wala,
bricks.
amiga na.
You just obliterated their middle barrack. You smashed it.
Wala. Wala ka namatay siya.
That way. With all the sonic extended.
Tugon ako dali. Slay ba ito?
Ay, nakikagawin. Ano na eh?
Amiga to. Amiga gid.
Ang pagpangatayan ko.
Let's get back.
Ma-break ka, ma-break ka. Ma-break ka. Tagan. Oh, balik. Balik. Ay, na lang. Ayos ah. Oh, wala. Balik. Wala tayong BKB. Ayos sa pag-BKB.
Break time's over. They're at your middle barracks.
Ayos sa. Kaya man muna. Ako kayo mag-live. BKB na. Ayun na lang sa. BKB, BKB. Ay, namatay man. Ayun na yan. Ay, na-break.
On a killing. Hey, I wanted to defend your middle barracks. Middle tower.
Ginawa, dead pa ba? Napa man. Napaku, napami. Oh no.
With a cult sonic extended. Trying to run.
Your middle tower's taking a beating.
Ayun po, mapina-SS ko.
You know, just because your tower's being attacked doesn't mean
Beware the cowards!
Come on, brush it off. Let's get back out.
Feet of foot. Back you go!
Patay si Gwen. Nagka-hook.
Letting you lightning guys go to realize you can't beat me.
PG na. No, nakapush sila.
Ayun na.
Nye, build the gap.
Trash. Trash. Wala ganin no. Eh, butso ko, butso. Mabait. Mabait. Bodo. Trash. Five, 10 seconds na may delay. Or 5 seconds. Sa YouTube, kay delay man dyan.
You're up. Make your band. We're starting in 5 seconds, with or without you. We're 10 seconds out. Plenty of time to tell an announcer you love them if that's what's in your heart. 5 seconds.
Fling. Wow. Juggernaut.
My form collapses into being. My pattern changes.
Oh, Arcana po. Ay, neto.
You ready? Let's do it.
Yes!
Arcana.
You suggest. I flow on.
Carry yata na.
Sana matupad. Echo Slam o Kwan. Echo Slam o Black Hole. Sana
All right,
matupad.
everybody, 30 seconds.
Sa Turbo.
Kuhan kayo na ba? 6K.
O na to, be. Ako silence. KB na ta. Timing kayo ba?
As you wish.
KB lagi.
A path integral to victory.
Today in this fantasy forest land, history will be made.
Baka nakukuhan to yun.
Ancients will be defended by you and the 4 loads you came.
Action principle. Reality is illusion. I propagate forward.
Right na ba? Oh, late shoot na. Era na ang carry nila. Hindi, itong bigyan not.
First skill. Ah, first blood.
You need your
Second
top
blood.
tower? I'm only asking because it's being destroyed. I mean, I'm
Second
no
blood.
expert, but yeah, that's coming down.
Right shoot.
OG Ana. Ay.
Ay, sumuro.
At some point, soon, things are going to get interesting. A path integral to victory. My wave advances. Not this time. As you wish. Action principle. Void. A path integral to victory. Shooting star. My pattern changes. Acceleration. Yes. A new location. I flow all.
Play mal. Nga sila eh. Silencer.
Suggest.
Yung nag-black hole ko, basig na-cancel guys.
In one form or another.
Sabi nga,
Buho man ni Slurp eh.
bug. Yes, like, kaya isang, lag lang.
Universal constant.
Build spy pa man na.
I go. Control is mine. Here I come.
Ito ba? Ay, siya ay.
Comet strike.
Bakit? Ay. Natin na zone ka din.
Bottom tower's under attack there.
Victor, ilang ko ang
Acceleration.
middle tower might need a little attention.
Reality is illusion. I flow.
Bangit ka, bangit. Ayaw ikpa na. Ayaw. Let's hit na yun.
Principle.
Ayaw, lusit na.
My pattern changes. Serve the void. Yes.
Tubo yung late.
My wave advances. I propagate forward. I smash you. Control is mine. As you wish.
Idagir.
Acceleration. As you suggest. I propagate forward.
Weakness and just.
Serve the void. A new location.
Might want to
Reality.
look into
TP na yun, rawa na.
I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I don't like your odds here.
TP.
I go.
Pati ka doon sa elite server. Laki TP.
Aba.
A taste of the goods.
Don't get a big head about it. But your structures are fortified. Dyer's
Okay.
fortified their
Kaya
structures.
yan.
That's no good for us.
Yes.
Ay! Kusla majama.
Oh, thank God.
Disconnect ko siya sa sobra ka uyog.
Pila ka is ni Tabang. Lasito na ako to ba?
I stare also.
Ayun pa diya.
Great. The bottom tower is all busted up. Get him on the ropes now. Don't let up.
I flow on. A path integral to victory.
Uy, agay. Uy, bubo.
I propagate forward. As you wish. Action principle. I can do with more of that. I go. I flow on. As you suggest. Acceleration. Control is mine. Yes.
Another tower's taking a beating.
Ay, mali. Isa ba?
Your middle tower
Kita
might
ko
need
yun.
Ano siya?
Hey, you really need to handle this.
Kasi mali. Ha?
Covering ground.
Good stuff. Their middle tower's a sad pile of gravel.
Advances. Action principle.
Uh-oh. Dyer's fortified their structures.
A new location.
Patay.
Numb. I flow on. As you suggest.
Ayun.
I go.
Sorry.
Lo.
Fail, fail.
Might want to look into your bottom tower.
Your body was a cage. I just stay free.
Fail chok, sorry chok.
Things you can't plan for.
That cuts no ice with me.
Their middle tower's taking a beating. You fortified
Mali
Ah,
yan sa
matay.
ilis. Mag-its. Bakit BKB?
Ano ko BKB?
your middle tower.
Fail.
Sa ilis, gago ba?
We will miss you.
Meron ka pindot, oy.
Goodbye, middle tower.
City mo
Palpak.
lagi.
Tower's taking a beating.
Napindot na ako.
Yeah, that's good.
After na. Bugo.
After na.
Tanawan. Pwede ako ni Justin, atik lang.
Nawala. Wala, oy.
Nag-heal siya.
Bottom tower's under attack there. Bottom tower just didn't break this.
Oh yeah. Bulikod siya. Uy. Namatay.
Part.
My wave advances. Reality is attack.
Lagi gukod yun niya.
As you suggest. Acceleration.
Ala ka.
Action principle.
Gukod siya ba yun? Ayun.
Location. As you wish. My pattern changes. Acceleration. In gravity's well.
Okay.
Shakedown.
Shit.
My nihilism increases. A new location.
Nice. Their top tower is smashed all to hell.
Reality is illusion. A path integral to victory.
Agoy. Silence sa siya. Okay na.
Is mine. My wave advances. I propagate forward. Yes.
I'll take that.
As you wish. I am under attack. As you
Okay na yun.
suggest.
Ito lang.
Bottom tower's down. Wait till they see what you have in store for an encore.
I propagate forward. Eclipsed. A path integral to victory. Reality is illusion. Acceleration. Control is mine.
Lagi sundan din yan.
We fight. Deeper understanding. I smash you. I stare also into you. Action principle. Serve the void.
Ha, the middle tower is down.
As you wish. A new location. I flow on. As you suggest. Yes. A higher order of being. My wave advances.
Push lang siguro.
My wave advances. Serve the void. I go.
Alak ka. Nag-una-una din.
Even I like
Wala gili. Paon.
reality is illusion. As you suggest. Control is mine.
Pa. Guys, slow kayo.
Under attack. As you wish. Action principle. My pattern changes.
Ay, ito. Ala. Uy, mo sarili. Ba't siya? Agay.
This phase of your journey is at an end.
Oh, agay. Chok lang naman, chok. Sure ka, chok. Oh, ito ra. Hala na, hindi back up. Hala, chok. Na, back up. Sabangin. Ayaw na balik. Ay.
Their top tower is down.
Okay.
Acceleration as you wish. As you suggest. Elemental gold. My pattern control is mine. Yes. Big Bang. My orbit widens. My wave advances. Mega kill. I propagate forward. Deeper understanding.
TP siya. Logay, ano ko ano yung nirana. Ay.
Comet strike. I go.
I'll take that.
Reality is illusion. We will not taste death.
Nice one.
Is mine.
Your middle tower might need a little attention. Look at those structures. Woo! 45.
Pero, naman siya Aegis. Pero, na siya
Tower taking a
Aegis.
beating. Middle tower,
Yun lang.
largely ignored, badly protected. Goodbye, middle tower.
Hindi nakakabalo ng enigma.
Yeah, I'd get over there if I was you. All right, middle tower's down.
Not yet.
Middle barracks, gone.
Hindi pa lang.
Good news, you have a pile of bricks. Bad news, it used to be your middle barracks.
I propagate forward. My nihilism increases. Serve the void. I go.
Agay. Adi na today, manay.
Your middle tower is now.
Oo, kaya mapildi lang.
Ah, crap! Your ancient's taking a walloping. I'm pretty sure you lose the game if they smash it. And they are, wow, they are really smashing that up.
Your turn to ban. 5 seconds remaining. Ten seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Chaos rides. Yes.
Prepare
The
for battle.
chaotic path. Indeed. Giddy up. I
30
am
seconds
Steed,
to battle.
Really take this.
the beaten path. Armageddon comes. Through the face.
It's gonna happen eventually. First blood, everybody.
I had Armageddon.
The battle begins.
Sige.
We'll ride the horse and under attack. Hitherto. Yeah,
Oh, back na po.
gallop. Meet in battle. My shield and blade. other planes I come. Amble on. Split wide. Leap ahead. Yes. Strike. By drought and blade. Right on. Indeed. Meet in battle. The beaten path. Now
Aray ko.
one less play. Giddy up. In service to I think not. By drought and blade.
Denied.
Yes. My thanks. Where ride the horsemen, death shall follow. Armageddon comes. I'm under attack. Leave ahead.
Was that a double kill? Hold on. And, yep, it checks out. That was a double kill.
Yeah. By shield and blade. My adversary's pay. Amble on. Ahead, Armageddon. Patriotic path. Right on. Through your paces. Yes. Ahead, steed. Gallop. From other place.
Kasama ko.
Ahead, steed. From other planes.
What's going on down there? Is that a kill zone I'm supposed to say right now? I don't like it.
Ahead, Armageddon. Armageddon comes. By shield and blade. I'm under attack. This. Giddy up.
Kill spree! Look, being told I'm supposed to say hacking at limbs, blood spraying everywhere. Yeah, I don't like it.
Normal gold is born.
We'll ride
But
the
this?
horse.
Dire's structures are fortified.
Follow. By drought and blade. Gallop.
Double kill.
Ay, sige.
Yeah. No match. You are afraid. I saw chaos. Give it a two. A chaotic path. Smash down. Yes. Yes. Right on. The beaten path. Well,
Ah, dia.
Kill spree.
in battle. Gallant. Yes. Endure. Ahead, Armageddon. A chaotic path. It's not time yet. It's not time yet.
Your top tower is under attack.
Fall to your knees and lament.
Your top tower has fallen.
Not yet. The power blade. This the horse.
They are on a killing spree.
This'll make a gelding of you. Not yet. Indeed.
Puro itong ano yun, legit.
Drought and blade. Give it a two.
Uy!
Oshima stay with your grove. Mounted attack. The beaten path.
Your middle tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified. Your bottom tower is under attack.
Shield and blade. I'm not ready. I bequeath chaos. Ride on. It's not time. Where ride the horseman, death shall follow. Yes.
Whoa! That is a double kill.
Armageddon comes. Through your bases. Taste my country. Leap ahead.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I come side. Meet in battle.
Your middle tower has been denied.
Keep up. Meet in battle.
Kill spree.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Power of flesh. Armageddon comes.
Laban.
Dire structures are fortified.
Out of here.
Gilabay ko.
Killing spree, killing spree, killing spree.
It's not time.
Don't think twice. It's all right.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Ahead, Armageddon. Charge! I'm not ready. We'll ride the horseman. Death shall follow. Like ember
Your bottom tower is under attack. Ooh, a sacred
Yes, sir.
target.
indeed.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen.
Giatos daw bambang.
Yes.
Sorry. Abot.
Through your pace.
Tama ba yun?
Fall to your knees and lament. Hitherto. With drought and blade. None can endure. Giddy up. Meet in battle. Not yet. I saw the Archaeos stands
It's on the way na.
by drought and blade.
Radiant structures are fortified. Your middle tower is under attack.
Lock pa.
Yes.
Dire structures are fortified.
Beat our path.
Lock pa. Patay.
Honor your death.
May pagawa. Patay. Do.
Mortimer, get away.
Elementary.
Your top tower is under attack.
Pantay ha. Ay, ambakan ko.
From bitter plagues.
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower is under attack.
Eh. Shit, ay. Mana yung cable, shit. Oh, niliw. Ah, the cable.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Pinahulap ko din.
From other flames I come. Ahead, Armageddon.
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower has fallen.
Right on.
I'm not gonna say
Your middle tower is under attack.
So yan na to, GG na puntaanid. Huwag tayo daog
Your
eh.
middle tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified. Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen.
I ride again. Yeah. It's not time yet.
Kamatay ba?
Gallop. Oshima's the Black King Bar. Indeed. Not yet. Through your paces. Chaos. My soul, yes. Mounted attack. I'm not ready. Sure. I cast you aside. By shield and blade. Hitherto.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower is under attack.
No good. Oh.
Iya, ikaw.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen. Your middle barracks has fallen. Your middle barracks has fallen. Radiant structures are fortified.
Leap ahead. Ahead, steed.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen.
Bro. Wala ini sunod, Chuk. Wala ini sunod.
Napa mo kung naibig-ibigod?
Hindi lang. Hindi lang ka. Sa base. Bigami.
So, sayo pa na, sayo pa na.
Layo kayo.
Yan na lang.
A chaotic path. By drought and blade. Cower. From other planes I come.
Divine chop, divine.
Fallen to the dark.
Fine.
Where ride the horseman, death shall follow.
74 ang PE. Aking ang PE ba?
Yes,
Ulang pa.
yes. Giddy up.
Akar ba?
Heads deep.
Wala gaya. Saan?
Grab me up with that, because that is dominant. Kill spree!
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Ay?
Your bottom
Okay.
barracks are under attack.
Patay. Wala, murag gahi.
Your bottom barracks are under attack.
Guys, dito.
Your bottom barracks has fallen. Your bottom barracks has
Kaya, pero
fallen.
pa be.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Game.
Your middle tower has fallen.
Tanawa. Bugmoko na to na sila. Turugin natin yan mga G.
Dire victory.
At loading pa. Wait lang. Wala pa. Iluan ta ka ba na? Ginabid. Iluan ta ka mag yes night. Maguro si Dennis. Nakaw mo na. Tanawa.
I will Dave.
Chok. Okay. 2 minutes. Kulay. Na oy.
Your turn to ban.
Ano ya?
Yeah, 5 seconds left now.
Patay. SS na, SS.
Guardian.
10 seconds to pick your hero, you moron. You better pick your hero. 5 seconds.
Hindi man i support this.
Wala, level 21.
Yan, hit.
5 wins in a row. Nga.
Bisa ngeruduk.
This place appears like a vision in the mist.
Kill. Oh,
Huh. Oxygen-rich atmosphere. Giant testicle monsters. We'll be fine. Let's party!
wala, 3 minutes.
Easy ka, Joss?
GG ko, GG.
30 seconds to game start.
I travel with the mist.
Safe ka, eh.
Dede.
Ano jagger mo? Need na siya.
Mag-mid ang ako. Ipa-mid na ako na. Level 21 man.
Direct.
I see the way.
Well, there's that pesky horn.
Sometimes that's first
A
blood.
bed.
This is where we got life and death. Now bind us all. Well studied.
Kiri ka tanan, kiri.
I might add that.
Wait, ipot lang.
So be it. As counsel.
Ayan.
So it goes. The mist moves.
Tapi, yung AM deh.
Mist.
Oh no.
Chosen. Who goes there? I'm under attack. Indeed. I just might. Ride onward. I see. To the listen, motherless. I might add that
This is how I help you get better.
as counsel. The mist moves. Indeed. Chosen motherless. Very kind. I ride. So be it. I just might.
Ay, ate. May na lang.
So it goes. Mark me well.
Well, your top tower's under attack.
Well studied. Soundly. To the fray. Unworthy. To my house. I see. I travel with the mist. Like shapes in the mist. More than likely. I see.
Oh shit. Uy, kaswerte ba? Wala ibang mana. Yung mana ba? One hit lang.
I tread deep.
6, ayun naman siya.
Gift na. Justin na gift kid.
So I have sworn. Rat mist. Sun. Things are rarely as they seem.
I thought I was excited before. Ha! No, that's a double kill. Now I'm watching a kill spree.
Your top tower's under attack.
Oh yan, kailangan shit.
You gotta get serious. Top tower's under attack.
I'm not.
Killing spree, killing spree, killing spree.
With the impurities. It's not time yet.
Oh, jeez, your top tower's under attack.
You down there, you are dominating.
Your middle tower's under attack.
Time to take the big jump.
Your middle tower just
Yata.
just bit the big one. Hey, Morty, guess what's not there? The bottom tower.
My understanding.
That was a textbook double kill.
Yes. I'm ready.
Dominating.
It's not time yet. As counsel. My lesson.
Asan mo itong ano? 5 minutes in a row. Dahil lang dito.
By the house of us. Submit.
Kaya na eh. Hindi ko rin.
Such
Uy! May kernat!
Ano na ako? Hello.
Isa kita nila. Save mo na ba?
consider thyself purified.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack. Your bottom tower's under attack.
Oh, quit na ang shock ko.
Your bottom tower is gone, so baby.
Baptized in the font of Ernest. Death means something different to me. Look upon the Lord of Ernest. More than likely.
Ala.
Wala na mag-support.
Oh, sakita niya eh.
Top tower's under attack.
Deliver thee unto death.
Stun!
I see
Ngayon mo. O diba?
Gay.
Jeez, Rick, the top tower's getting hit.
not yet.
Sila ganahan
Oh
tango
man,
nila.
get up on out of here. Radiant just fortified their structures.
I might say that. I'm not ready. So be it.
Anybody that's a baby. Anybody that's a baby.
Chosen.
Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow.
Oh, middle tower's under attack.
What did I?
40,
Ay, kabut.
middle tower. I'm gonna look at it. Middle tower's under attack.
Chosen.
Ay, ati ako di man yun ni Guardian ba? Galawan pa lang.
Wait.
Yun galawang guardian.
As counsel.
Gibutang ko sa hilltop ba. Kita di ko adto, di dito pang balubay. Para dili ko makagukod. Alam ko na yan.
Alam mo na.
Okay, kay balis lang.
Ano siya, ano? Ito yung trap. Ayusin yan.
Oh,
Good work down there. Also, just so you know, I have multiple.
Look.
Kumana.
I'm not ready.
Oh, jeez, middle tower's under attack.
I see the way.
Nakawanga pa.
Ooh, your middle tower's under attack.
Uy!
Uy, ito. Chok, I just...
Ay, salamat.
Ay, salamat.
Thank you.
Put na gamay. Support na ko, support. Patay na lang. Pipigas.
Iki na diri. Patay tani. Ano na, atras na.
Back na dayan.
Back na ta.
Natupol na yun.
Patay ka ba? Ito.
Pabot. Okay, guys. Mga kuya, okay, that's it. Awan ako. Ah, tabang! Agay.
Patay. Magpagpatayan na nila ha. Grabe, pildi mo gani mo last 3 games. Gani.
That didn't go the way I planned.
Oh, come on, the middle tower's under attack. Oh, jeez, your middle tower's under attack. Oh boy, your middle tower just really took a big crap.
I see the way.
Murahan din. Oh, chok.
Gilul.
Oh boy, your top tower's under attack. Radiant just fortified their structures. You know what I'm talking about?
Wah, dagger na.
Your top tower's under attack. Oh jeez, your top tower is as good as
Oh, na,
done.
sakit kayo.
Oh boy.
Oh, magic ba?
Siyang, eh. Bang.
Lagay asa ko ano eh. Agad. TP.
I'm not ready. Mist moves.
Hindi tayo kapatid.
So it goes. Shield impenetrable. I see.
Bantay na ikuan. Awan na. Wala. Ako'y mana.
Might.
Gilis siya. Buhay na siya.
Buhay na sila.
Tell you something about the Radiant. They sure know how to kill Roshan.
Hindi sila, okay lang.
It's about time somebody took him out. The guy's a weirdo. Yeah, he's giant and weird.
Dagger.
Things are scary as they seem.
So sila.
I see. Indeed. So
Uy, na-destroy dito. Uy, nag-wards.
Naman sila.
Patay ka ba nga ka? Patay ka ba nga?
Kapalubay. Nata na lang, bigger not. Tapos.
mist. The mist moves. So I have sworn.
Okay. Uy, mali.
Uy, kita ko.
Bobo. Banga.
More than likely.
Kita na natin ito. Jagger na makapaana na damage.
Such power
Ano lang.
as counsel. Rat mist.
Kaya bang ka. Atay ka.
I ride. I travel.
Ganun ang pagkasa.
Yung snap ka, guys. Ano?
So
Gahi ba?
I might have that. So it goes.
Atay, ikuanan.
Diba?
Gipakuratan ng shit. Wag tayo mag-ipas, patay. Para ka na. Kawala din.
Kita tayo.
Klaro naman siya sa vision. Papa ko kuman sa kong storya ba? Magkuhan! Epicenter dito. Nag-wonder ko ba?
Maglinog.
Maglinog. Dula lang.
Dula lang.
Stack up those corpses. I don't know, build a cabin out of it for all I care.
Ayun.
I travel in the mist. I see.
Okay. Ibas.
I might add that.
Shit.
La 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 la. Patay ka mga. Basta, ano, chok. Wala kayo man. Kita na eh. Nanako. Ayun. Mana dahil linog. Aftershock. Kapag naglinog ba, wala nang gawa silip ko.
Agoy!
Alam mo yato sit up na to eh.
Na-stun.
Balik ko eh. Wala ko malo.
As counsel.
Dagger. Ay, dagger.
Sawa na may dagger.
So I have sworn. So it goes.
Shit. Patay. Eh. Ay, pulmahan mo. Awan siya.
Ay, awan na.
Na. Oh no. Pilibi ba?
Team mo pa eh. Ito eh.
This should be stopped. You're fine. This is
They're fighting against your middle barracks right now.
unstoppable.
You're wasting talent.
They're coming
Ano man yung mga
middle
nila?
barracks.
Tura. Tagay, tabang eh! Stun! Ah! Wait pa!
Okay, trail bodies. You, Captain Black.
Tura. Boom.
You big dumb face. Oh, this is I got
Let's go. Itong ano, man.
Ooh, Dire, you gotta fortify them their structures. Good work.
TV.
Ooh,
Ala
they took out
agad.
the enemy's middle tower. Looks like Dire's structures are fortified.
You down there, you are dominating right now. I see. The mist moves.
Kita na eh.
Build buwan na
Back na
ganyan.
dahil dapat sa back. Bakla.
All this was promised me and more. I might add that. I see the way. Yes. 'Tis well. 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 '
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good. 40, bottom tower under attack. Oh!
Just might.
Oh man, looks like the Dire got the Roshan just a little bit before
Roshan.
everybody else could.
Just might. Things are ready.
Morty, I'm really thirsty. Can you go get me a slurp? Yeah, I'll be right back.
I see.
Wala, buhay pa.
Right.
Buhay pa ka. Buhay pa ka. Buhay pa ka. Oh, di ba? Namamatay sila. Sige.
You're top there? Yeah, they're gone now.
Oh, buhay.
Right. Dagan.
Watch out, your top barracks are getting hit.
Good.
Okay, it's bye.
Hacking at limbs.
They're swarming your top barracks right now.
Wipe out sila bay. Buhay pa ta. Siguro.
Dah. Ano ni?
Ano ba yun?
Tayo, oh. Tayo yun, oh.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower's gone. Serves
Saan
them
naman to?
right. Of course, Bill leads me to believe that
Ayan, back na.
Giants fortified their
Back na.
structure.
Nanaan ko ano?
As counsel.
Back na sa'yo lang. Back na.
I might say that.
TP.
I rise.
Panic. Wipe out sila.
Things are rarely as they seem. I travel with the mist. The mist moves.
Kaya nakiling weird note.
Ayaw lang.
Well studied. So it goes.
Hindi ba?
Grabe.
Oh, yeah, your bottom tower's under attack.
Nagahig na kay Kating mo.
Oh, not good.
TP meron.
So I have sworn. I'm under attack.
Kita, wide tura. Oh. Ayaw niya.
Your bottom tower's under attack.
Nice lang. How dati sa support rin.
Just might.
Gusto. Push, push. Mababababababag.
Hooray!
Oh, paswa sa kayo ba ang level 25 na kun?
Ayan, ayan.
The enemy's bottom tower is gone. Did it. All right. The top barracks are under attack. You know what you're doing.
I just...
Swarm in your top barracks right
Oh
now.
no! May back ko na me.
Hooray! The enemy's bottom tower is destroyed. Hooray! Enemy's bottom barracks are gone. Let's all say a prayer.
The enemy's bottom barracks are
Looks like dire structures are fortified. Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby!
Purity of will. Scouts.
The enemy's middle tower is gone. Serve them right. Woo-hoo-hoo. Boy, oh boy. Oh, my goodness gracious.
Agay, 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 agay. Hehe. Sige lang.
Wala ni. Ala, anay baybak ni? Anay baybak.
Nasa may back. Sige lang, sige lang. Layo man nilang kung. Awa na. May dagger. Umbak ko ito.
Ah, unlock man. Ay. Unlock good.
Awa na. Pero na, padulong siya. Hulatang... Ay. Kaya na sila sa base.
Oh, ano?
Buyback. Hindi na.
Oh, jeez, they're swarming your middle barracks.
Bantay. Sige lang.
Oh boy, Morty.
Napa ta.
I'm gonna kiss your bottom tower goodbye because it's gone.
Ay, mega na. Sige, i-protect.
The enemy's middle tower.
Ay, namat. Bantay. Ang ilang base, oh. Gi-attack niya ilang base. Ayaw pati piya. Go na. Attack. Oh, TP sa ilang base. Yan lang. Ngayon sila buyback.
Nasa tong buyback nila.
No.
Ay, nakay ka kung
Just might.
Adiri.
Pulmon shard.
Oh, the enemy's top tower has fallen.
Labay.
Oy.
We did it, or they did it, I should say. They did it. The Radiant people did it.
Kit. Oh, di ba? Nadaog ka. Ako lagi dahilan lang yun. Nadaog mo. Nakatawa na to. Kung lakaw pa mo. Anak magdulag kayas. Apa? Hindi na kailangan ano, uy. Blood tour, hindi na kailangan. BKB, wala na eh. Sa guide eh. Tuwan sa pro. Gani no, listen kayo pa da. Feedback po ng mga support. Anta jud. Nya ano dahil abyssal ba para bunog. Katakas ang ano. Isa to siya na hero. Flash shot, flash shot.